So I'm on the way back from Chicago from tribute to my brother, and figured I'll stop by here. That is expensive. That is ridiculous. Don't see anything interesting in there. Rick or somebody might like that. That's the same one that's in my in-laws' sunroom. Well, this is cute. How much is the small? Well, it doesn't have the receiver though. $65? This ain't the normal. For restore, what are you doing? This used to be the best restore, but it appears the times they are changing. Oh, they still got some fluorescents at least. Well, we went to another restore recently that was pretty good. What was that one? I don't remember now. Okay. Well, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.